Alright, today we're going to bring an LED flashlight, and this is a very powerful flashlight with one large LED. It has an oval shape to actually a fisheye to increase the actual light effect. Alright, it comes with three, not one, but three lithium batteries. You need to charge them. Out of the box, it's fully charged. You could charge other devices with the same battery. Alright, and also, like I said, you could charge the device from type C. But I like that it has an extra charging station for you could charge your phone, other devices that come in handy. They do give you the connection type C to type A. They give you attachments for if you're going to be working outdoors and you need a helmet or you want to set it up. It has that option. This option, you can remove the actual fish lens part of it. Turning off and on, it's very simple. There's an on button right here, if you guys can see, and a sensor, because you could keep it on and by movement you could turn it on. So I'm going to turn it on. If you guys can see, that light is very powerful. All right, that's one, that's two, lower it down, SOS. Now on the back it's going to tell you the indication of the battery life, also what type of mode you have it on. Right, so when you change it in the bottom, it changes here too. You can see it here flashing right here on this back there. And go ahead and click. And I like that it comes with the sensor. I like the whole setup, how well established it is, and its flexibility on it. Let's set it up on a helmet and see how it looks. Alright, if you guys can see, I put the clips underneath the helmet. Alright, and it's grabbing on pretty good. And this is adjustable too. I forgot to mention that you could adjust the system here, so you could look down where you're working at, so you guys can see. Let me turn it on so you guys can see how powerful it is. All right, like I mentioned, you go charge them. You can charge the devices. So if you have your phone, you'll plug it in. Look at that, it starts charging automatically. So all right guys, I gotta go up in the attic, and luckily I have this flashlight with me. Now I gotta go get the Christmas stuff, because of course Christmas is around the corner. You got to get this. This is a really powerful LED light. This is perfect as a gift for Christmas too. So we're gonna go get the Christmas decorations and show you how dark it is up there. Going up the attic, guys, if you guys can see it, this thing is really bright. So right now we have a zipper here. Look at this, completely darkness. And if I turn it off, watch this, lower flashlight, look at this, completely darkness. Now, the only reason I come here is for these decorations, because I got to get the Christmas stuff. But this thing, but the actual LED lights are very bright. So they're actually helping me out in any kind of danger like this. You know, I don't know where to step on. There's a lot of electrical tape. There's a lot of electrical wires that I got to be careful on. Got to make sure that there's no creatures up here. Everything looks good. Make sure that the roof, nothing's leaking, everything looks well established, and at the same time we're able to grab our Christmas decorations, which we have them right here. That's what I'm going to get, the decorations right here, and this one too. So great option. Look around, access to the attic and everything. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.